It's no fun thinking about scary things that may or may not happen. However, what's even less fun is being not prepared. If something bad does take place, I, Dr. Himanshu Jain, wants you to be ready. The best way to handle the newly uncertain life is to take action. In other words, nail down some information and have some emergency plans in place so as to avoid panic. With the daily rising cases of COVID 19 in India, it's better to be prepared in case someone in your family starts showing symptoms or needs to be taken to the hospital. It might be a tough conversation, but sit down with your family members and talk over how to handle things. If any of you is to be hospitalized, who will take care of the kids, pets, and the household? Do a risk assessment and take additional precautions for those at higher risk, particularly older adults more than 65 years of age, people with asthma, diabetes, hypertension, with cancer, with heart disease, and pregnant women. Ask them to stay at home, avoid going outside, keep away from public, follow good hand hygiene, and keep a supply of their medication and supplies ready if you need to stay at home. The symptoms of coronavirus disease are fever, fatigue, dry cough, aches, runny nose, sore throat, shortness of breath, and diarrhea. But some may have these emergency warning signs such as trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusions, inability to wake or stay awake, bluish lips or face. If someone is showing these signs, seek emergency medical care immediately. Create an own emergency contact list. Make sure every member of the household has a current list of contacts for friends, neighbors, healthcare providers, and employers. Pick a person who is calm, composed, and healthy to take you to a healthcare facility in case you develop symptoms. Should be ready with power banks, phone, gloves, and face masks. Create a saving plan to cover emergencies. Keep your bank details, emergency cash, identity cards, copies of insurance, eyeglasses if you wear them ready. Bring a list of your past medical records and prescription drugs as you reach the healthcare facility. Give virtual visits to your near ones to keep their morals high if they are admitted in any healthcare facility. If someone in your home is sick, continue to practice everyday preventive actions. Keep the ill person in a separate room from others in the household. If caring for a sick household member, follow recommended precautions and monitor your own health. Keep surfaces disinfected. Avoid sharing personal items. If you become sick, stay in contact with others for phone or email. Stay informed about the local situation. Notify your work about your change in schedule. Take care of the emotional health of your household members as you. Prepare a home emergency kit, which should include soap, alcohol-based hand sanitizer, should have a glucose meter, a blood pressure machine, a diarrhea remedy, medicines for fever or pain, throat lozenges, cough syrup, thermometers, vitamins, fluids, and electrolytes. Reduce your own risk of COVID 19. Clean your hands, cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, limit social gathering, avoid close contact with someone, clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Together we can and we will beat coronavirus and flatten the curve. Thank you.